twisting well. This is the terminal of the speaker now. So go there, carry a battery like this, touch it. I believe you can hear that. You can see it. If your own is not giving you that sign, just know there is a serious problem somewhere. And if while doing it, if the vibration is not normal, maybe it's stuck, that means you did not brace it well. You know, when we are doing it, I ask you to put this there. That's the advantage, so that the coil will settle and it will not be hanging at the middle. You understand? So those are the consequences if you don't do things right. Or if you do it right, look at it. So now I'm 100% sure everything is good to go. See you in the next video. Ensure you like, you subscribe to this channel for more helpful video, please.